This modernist masterpiece is Belgrade's Museum of Contemporary Art, but it's been closed to the public for more than a decade. It's fallen victim to a seemingly endless renovation project, and that means a generation has grown up deprived of the chance of seeing its extensive local and international collections. We're talking about the giants of 20th century art: Andy Warhol, Marina Abramović, Picasso, Roy Lichtenstein. It's a massive loss, and art lovers hold the authorities responsible. They've staged protests in front of the museum, but the art remains locked away. Bringing the works back to the people has often seemed like mission impossible, but now some of the best-known international brands have helped to create a virtual art exhibition of enormous proportions. It's augmented reality. A unique mobile application transforms the brand's commercial media spaces into works of art in real time. The app works on phones and tablets, and it does more than just display the works. Like a virtual curator, it plays audio descriptions about the artists and shows the locations where their pieces can be found.
Evo od ove nedelje ipak ćete moći da uživate u umetničkim delima ovog muzeja.
Ova prezentacija je neka vrsta virtualne postavke Muzeja savremene umetnosti.
Aplikaciju koja će svakome omogućiti da uživa u delima iz bogatih zbirki ovog muzeja.
The app's latest upgrade even includes 3D triggers and 3D sculptures, so now millions of people can see the museum's art, no matter where they are in the world.
The reopening of the museum became a hot topic among the public. Now, after months of intensive campaigning, art lovers finally have some good news.
Jedan izuzetak postoji, to je Muzej savremene umetnosti, gde je rekonstrukcija u punom jeku, ona mora da bude završena sredinom leta ove godine.
Once the museum reopens, the app will become open source to allow other museums to use it.